Hello students, today's class is on computer network architecture. So, what is computer network architecture? Computer network architecture can be defined as the framework of every physical components of a network system. There are two types of computer architecture, client-server architecture and peer-to-peer architecture. Client-server architecture. This network architecture consists of one main computer, that means server, and other connected computers, that means client. Here every client requests the server by sending messages and server responds to clients by acting on each request and returning results. The centralized handling of data provides increased security. Here we can add password protection, which ensures that the requested data only available for that particular client. It is the main advantage of this architecture. If too many different clients requesting to server at a single time, there may be a failure or slowing down connection. So it can be a disadvantage of this architecture. Data backup process of this architecture is too much strong. Now, peer-to-peer architecture. In this network architecture, each workstation has equivalent capabilities and responsibilities. Here every client connected with each other, but it has no server for centralized control. This network uses distributed processes, so increasing workload does not affect this architecture. It is not so much secure because there is no server connection. Data backup process of this architecture is not too much strong. Here is the diagram for client-server architecture, and this diagram is for peer-to-peer architecture. On architecture, we maintain some protocols. There are some sets of rules that governs data communication in a networking environment that known as protocols. Some types of protocols are HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, FTP, File Transfer Protocol, and TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol.